to call up my three bestest friends in the world. Dominic, Jason, and...
Your cupcakes? All right. Okay, who are we going to call up next? Do you want me to call up the rest?
I want to call up Dylan, Howard, and Nico.
Look at the crew. Oh, boy. Cool.
Nice. You guys are a nice crew. You want to get your cupcakes, guys?
Get your cupcake.
I'm always standing next to Jacob.
All right. We have Gavin. Where's Gavin?
Come on, Gavin.
Gavin, want to go get your cupcakes?
Noah. Sup, Gav?
Then we have Julie, Alicia, Dejanay,
Yeah, let's go.
Hey.
Noah. We have Jason, Timmy, hey, Isa. We have Timmy. We have Power. We have Sam. Sam's coming. Who did I leave? Latea, Emily, Lita.
Lisa.
Where is she? Oh.
Oh, yeah, what they call it.
Okay, Dita. All right. Have your cupcakes, guys.
All right, guys, look.
Wow, you look great.